Hi guys, so yeah, we are making some videos in English. We talked about a drifter, we talked about a F40, and we have a Cobra also sitting here. Actually a Weineck Cobra. That project came to us like, let's say, it was not something where I was catching to get the, to build it up for the customer. It's a really nice customer. And the car was standing for a long time at a different company. Then it came to us, and now it's planned just to do right after, I think, Ronnie's car. This will be finished. This will be still a lot of work because we just have to finish so much stuff to the body, or we just have to finish so much stuff on the body. And yeah, just to give you an idea, so there was two guys just coming in. They told me, hey, we have a Weineck Cobra sitting at a different company and they're not finishing it up. And I said, okay. And it just have to do the electronics. And yeah, I would say we are pretty good in the electronic side. So we just wired the car up and did all that stuff. Or I told them it's like doing all the whole electronics. It's about 2 or 3 days work. And then they took the car to us. I will still remember it was a really nice trailer where it came in. It came to us and they said, and then they opened up the trailer and I saw the car. I said, okay, but this is just more stuff just to do wiring, because the car was sitting there was like 10 or 12 or 14 boxes just sitting around the car, and they said, okay, everything belongs to the car. I said, there was just the wiring stuff to do. And then we just started working on the car, and we did the wiring, and then the customer, who's a really cool guy, said, hey Jan, I want that 1000 horsepower. This is a 14-liter Donovan engine, so it's a drag engine, or a 13 liters, so it's really crazy. I think it's doing 1000 horsepower, 1100. We will see it for sure this year, the power. But he came in and said, I want to have a hi-fi system. So we went to a hi-fi guy over here. We just dropped hi-fi into the car. We made the wiring. We started planning all the fab work. And now it will also get repainted into a different color, which is crazy nice, the color which we'll get. And yeah, we're just finishing up that build. I'm really interested how this will go and how this will drive, because I think it's one of the scariest cars which I will ever drive in my life. But yeah, this is the point why we have the Cobra sitting here. If you want to know more about the project, we can talk about it, it's no problem. But I just give you some more idea of the engine. It's a 4-speed gearbox with a really, I think it's an 8.8 Ford rear diff end with such big drive shafts to left and right. It got a tri-sump setup. It got a fuel pump, or it got a catch tank in the back. So it's really actually basic body shell of a Cobra, but it's like a more race car underneath it. We have that massive big Donovan engine with big fuel lines and all that stuff. And yeah, we just have our Leonard from Gieselwerks will do some fab work to it, that everything will fit nicely and everything will be closed up perfect under the bonnet and all that stuff, because this is still a problem in that car. The other workshop, they started building it, and I think in the build they had some different projects who were probably more easy, I would not say, to build, but they well, probably had issues with the customer or whatever. But yeah, we just got it over, and now we're doing some work to the whole build, and we have to do some more fabrication work. But this is still a massive way of work, but Ozan will get all the mechanical stuff done, and then we'll see further from this point. So yeah, like mentioned, we started with Miatas, but every cool car, when we like it, yes. I'm happy to see it here in our workshop if we have time and space. So yeah, you know some stuff about the Cobra project. See you in the next video. Bye.